What's going on, produce people? It's Cinco de Mayo. And when you're thinking of Cinco de Mayo, you think of guacamole. And the number one ingredient is avocados. Check out these avocados from Mission 32 size. If you're going to cut up an avocado for guacamole, why spend more work on a small avocado? You want to go with the biggest and the baddest, and that's what we have here at Indy Fruit. Also, for guacamole, I got my recipe from Bobby Flay off Food Network. And think of limes. So versatile, guacamole, drinks, everything today on Cinco de Mayo. The next important part is fresh cilantro. You can't enjoy a good guacamole without fresh chopped cilantro. That is the next important piece of that. And for another fact of the matter, you can't enjoy a good taco without some fresh chopped cilantro on it, if you want a good, authentic taco. Next up on our warehouse list, or shopping list for you that are in grocery stores, are tomatoes. Who can forget guacamole without a tomato? We've got two options here. A nice on-the-vine tomato, or your traditional Roma tomato. Both would be great in a guacamole, but if you want to go traditional, you're going to go with the Roma tomato. Now follow me. We're going to go to our last two ingredients now. A fine red onion from our friends at Bolthouse Farms, and some lovely jalapenos. Chop those up, put them in your guacamole, get your chip of choice, and you're good to go. With that, from our Indy Fruit family to yours, have a happy Cinco de Mayo.